Welcome streamers, I'm Sam Proof from Mobcrush, and today we're going to take a look at Action Replays, our machine learning AI that watches your stream and creates clips from in-game moments like kills and victories automatically. And you can use these to enhance your Be Right Back or Starting Soon screens, as well as use them as in-game replays. And I'm going to show you how you can use Action Replays to make money through Mobcrush as well. If you haven't already set up Action Replays, check out our video on setup, but let's get into it. Hit the Media Library button and you'll be brought to the Action Replays page. If you've already streamed through Mobcrush on one of the supported games, which is found here, you'll see some clips have auto-populated in your Media Library, and that means they're available for Action Replays. So we're going to hit Launch and open Control Panel. It may take a second for the clips to populate in the control panel, but once it's there, you're ready to go. You can review each clip by hitting the play button in the bottom left corner of the clip you'd like to see. And when you find a clip you like, to the right, you can hit this Add to Playlist button. At the bottom of the control panel, you will see this playlist queue, which is expandable, and should show preload complete when the clip is ready and the playlist is good to go. You can add up to 10 videos to your playlist. Once you hit play, over in OBS, you should see your clip play. We encourage you to use this on your Be Right Back screen, your Starting Soon screen, or even as an instant replay during gameplay. Once your clip finishes playing, it will disappear on its own. If you're having any problems and want to make sure things are set up correctly, or you don't have any clips banked yet, just hit this eyeball icon in the lower right. You'll see the blank frame where the clip will play appear in OBS. You can hit the stop button to get rid of the test frame. If you want to remove your clip from the playlist to add different ones, just click the X next to that clip and add a different clip into your playlist. Once you have Action Replays in place and you've created some clips, you may be eligible to join our Sponsored Live Breaks monetization program. Sponsored Live Breaks gives you the opportunity to make money while using Mobcrush's Action Replays to add a video ad asset at the end of your current playlist. Once you've got Action Replays up and running and you've banked some clips, get in touch with us and we'll see if we can't monetize your stream. Look for a link in the description. And coming up in some future videos, I'll show you how to consolidate all of these tools into one single monitor experience, as well as a more in-depth look at some of the other buttons on the Action Replays control panel. Until then, crush it!